Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Hubitat with Z-Wave sensors and rules, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start setting up Hubitat with Z-Wave sensors, first, ensure your Hubitat hub is powered on and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Download and install the Hubitat mobile app on your smartphone. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Open the Hubitat app and navigate to the Devices section. Tap on the plus Add Device button to begin adding your Z-Wave sensors. Select Z-Wave from the list of device types. Put your Z-Wave sensor in pairing mode according to its user manual. Once in pairing mode, wait for Hubitat to find and connect to your sensor. After the sensor is detected, give it a unique name for easy identification. Confirm the sensor has been added by checking the device list in the app. Now, proceed to set up rules to automate tasks based on your sensor's triggers. Navigate to the Apps section in the Hubitat app. Select Rule Machine from the list of available applications. Tap Create New Rule to start a new automation. Give your rule a descriptive name related to its function. Choose Triggers to select the event that will initiate the rule. Select the appropriate trigger corresponding to the Z-Wave sensor, such as motion detected or a specific temperature reading. Next, define the actions that should occur when the trigger is activated. You can choose actions like turning on lights, sending notifications, or adjusting the thermostat. Set any conditions if necessary to refine when the action should occur. Save the rule once you've configured the triggers and actions. Test the setup by activating the Z-Wave sensor to ensure the rule responds as expected. Monitor the device status and rule performance for a few days to confirm reliability. Make any adjustments needed for optimal function. Your Hubitat setup with Z-Wave sensors and rules is now complete. Enjoy enhanced automation with your smart home system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.